When we upload videos for getting instant notifications, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Shona Recipes with me, Chef Shona.
In today's episode, I am going to prepare blue velvet brownie. We can easily find red velvet brownie recipe in YouTube, but I am going to prepare today blue velvet brownie. It's a very rare recipe. So come on, let's get started and check out the recipe. Take a bowl, add 50 grams of butter, whisk it with the help of the whisker, add around 1 cup of sugar powder and start mixing it. Now add 2 eggs, mix it properly, add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, add blue food color, give a quick mix. Once mixing is done, add half tablespoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, combine everything with the help of the whisker. Now add 1 cup of buttermilk. Mix everything. Now add this mixture into cake tray. Take one non-stick pan, add 1 cup of salt and place a stand in it and preheat for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, place a cake tin and cover with lid. Bake it for 45 minutes on low flame. After 45 minutes, cut the brownies into pieces. Place these pieces in a serving plates. That's all. Blue velvet brownie was ready. Try this simple recipe and give your valuable feedbacks in the comment section. In next episode, I am going to prepare coconut poli. So don't miss it. When we upload videos for instant notification, subscribe to Chef Shona Recipes and click on the bell icon.